What do you usually do after work?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about after-work plans.
You'll learn useful daily expressions, common vocabulary, and real-life English.
Let's get started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you enjoy learning English with us.
Let's practice English together.
Hi, Paul. You look happy today.
Hi. Yes, I'm excited because work finishes early today.
That's great. Do you have any plans after work?
Yes, I do.
Really? What are you going to do?
First, I'm going to meet my sister for dinner.
That sounds nice.
We haven't seen each other for 2 weeks.
I'm sure you'll have a good time.
I hope so.
Where are you going for dinner?
There's a new Italian restaurant near my office.
I've heard it's very good.
Me too. I'm excited to try the pasta.
I love Italian food.
Me too. What's your favorite dish?
Pizza is my favorite.
That's always a good choice.
What time will you meet your sister?
Around 6:30 this evening.
Will you walk there?
No, I'll take the train.
Is it far?
Not really. It only takes about 15 minutes.
That's convenient.
Yes, it is.
What are you doing after dinner?
We might go to a coffee shop.
That sounds relaxing.
We like sitting together and talking.
What do you usually talk about?
Family, work, and our future plans.
That's wonderful. Do you usually go out after work?
Not every day.
What do you normally do?
I usually go home, cook dinner, and watch TV.
Sounds peaceful.
Yes, after a busy day, I like to relax.
I understand. Do you exercise after work?
Sometimes.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I usually go to the gym or take a walk.
Walking is a great way to relax.
Yes, it also helps me sleep better.
That's true. What do your coworkers usually do after work?
Some go home right away.
And the others?
Some play sports together.
Really?
Yes, they play badminton every Wednesday.
That sounds fun.
They always invite me.
Do you join them?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at badminton.
That's okay. It's all about having fun.
You're right.
Do you ever work late?
Yes, sometimes.
Why not?
Because I get home very late.
That must be tiring.
It is.
I hope today isn't one of those days.
Luckily, it's not.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dinner?
Grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
I try to eat healthy during the week.
That's a good habit. Do you watch movies after work?
Sometimes, especially on Fridays.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy and action movies.
Me too. They help me relax.
Exactly.
Do you call your family after work?
Yes, I call my parents almost every evening.
That's very thoughtful.
We like talking about our day.
I'm sure they appreciate that.
They do.
What are your plans this weekend?
I'm thinking about going hiking.
That sounds exciting.
If the weather is nice, I'll go with my friends.
I hope you have good weather.
Thank you.
What's the best way to relax after work?
I think spending time with family and friends.
I agree.
Work is important, but relaxing is important too.
That's true. We all need time to rest.
It helps us feel ready for the next day.
Exactly. I hope you enjoy your dinner and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. I hope you have a relaxing evening too.
Thank you for listening to today's English conversation.
Keep practicing English every day, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.